The other week I was walking down to a fishing mark, looking through all of the rock pools, waterways on my walk across the beach, and I came across this picturesque, beautiful little squid. Now in this video you're going to see me catch big squid, but this is where they started. Small, minute, picture perfect, hand size squid. What a beauty. Probably snapped up by a bass later on in the night, but you never know. He might grow to be the one that you catch coming up. Welcome back to another squid fishing adventure. Bit of role reversal here. I've actually been squid fishing and we just had a mental hour. There's literally 2 or 3 foot of water below me, and with my torch I can spot the squid moving through the channels over the seagrass, flick at them, casting at them pretty much in front of them like you would for a bonefish, and bang, hooking into them. I've caught some really big squid tonight. It's been great fun. So this video, bit of reversal, we'll get into it, show you what's happening, show you where I'm fishing and where I'm targeting them. But it just goes to show, if you can get to some shallow, rocky, reefy kind of area at night where you can see the bottom and the water is clear, side fishing for squid can be pretty fun as well. Let's get back into it. Got it. Yes. Oh, stalking it. I just changed to a different colour as well, mate. Oh, that's a nice squid, mate. Oh, mate, that's a hammer of a squid. Oh, I just changed that different colour, mate. Oh, mate. Look at the size of that thing. Well, I just changed to this colour. I wasn't even thinking of making a video tonight, but come out to see Lev. We've got about 2 or 3 foot of water in front of us and some big squid are just hunting around. I was using an orange and yellow rattler, which I did catch one on before, but the big ones weren't playing ball, so I just went over to this natural colour. Bang. Monster. Probably one of the biggest squid I've caught this year. Flip it round, there you go. That's a beast. Just sight fishing these. Lev told me it was too shallow. And then these 2 or 3 massive ones, I caught one before and I said there was a bigger one behind it. Changed over to the more natural colour because they weren't really picking up the orange and yellow in this shallow water. And this thing took a fancy to it. Absolute monster. I think there's some biggers out there. And I'm fishing in about 2 foot of water, no joke.
It's interesting that, you know, they come to such a shallow water.
Oh, look, big one there. Oh, I've got weed on my line. Well, he was right underneath us.
Really?
You see that?
I mean, I saw swimming out.
I wonder if the bigger ones just, or do they just sit in the seagrass at low tide, you know? Because that's all seagrass in front of us, right?
Yeah. Oh, there it is on the left. On the left. Do you see?
Yeah, he's after me. Look at that, he's after me. Where's it gone? Oh, it's still there.
It's still there.
See how he attacks? Wow, this thing's clever. He attacked me like 5 times. Can't believe you can actually see them. Madness, like.
Yeah, it's so cool when you sight fishing.
Sight fishing for squid, eh? The squid just coming out of nowhere. Lev just spotted it just swimming around. Good spot that, mate. It's mad how they're all in the shallows though, eh?
Yeah. Oh, there it is, there it is. Squid
Where?
on the surface.
Where?
Left, left, left. Just under your line. Yeah, yeah, stop it, stop it.
Oh yeah. Well, as you can see, the water is very shallow. It's probably about 4 foot here, but back up the slip where we just were before, it was about 2 foot. You can see the seagrass outline everywhere around, and there are some massive squid just moving around, and I was literally sight casting them. I was looking at them coming from that side, Lev was looking at them coming from that side, casting it out at them, and they weren't taking bright coloured lures, so I moved over to this really lifelike joker kind of green back and bang, straight on. And the big squid are very inquisitive. They're coming up and they're hitting it, but they're very clever. They're big for a reason. They're hitting it right on the middle of the actual jig itself. He's massive.
Still there?
I don't know.
Yeah, yeah, he's still there. I saw it. He's coming for it.
Yep, got it.
That was cool.
Sight casted that, eh? Yes, man. Beautiful bit of sight casting that, like. He must have been just underneath us, eh?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Nice little picture. That was cool. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
I thought I was too twisted up on my line then,
Yeah.
and then I was like, oh, they must like that colour. I got that colour off Gone Fishing.
Where did you get that?
Gone Fishing. Well, second one sight casted, another beauty. Not as big as the first one. We were just about to pack up, and then this torpedo just shot out of the weed underneath us. He must have literally been right underneath us. That colour is killing it. He's hungry. Do you want this one as well, mate?
Yeah, if you don't need it, yeah.
I don't need it, no. Beautiful. Second big one. Sight casting. So originally I was fishing with an orange lure, but I've gone to the old original gangster, which is a Yamatisha, I think that's how you pronounce it, in like a greeny kind of colour, jokery colour. And all I'm doing is just looking around with my head torch on full blast, searching for some squid. Now I've seen them working these channel. There's a big sandy channel in front of me, which I'll show you in a second, and I've just been jigging and just looking out for them. I'm literally casting this into a foot of water, but I know it's pretty clean over there. Oh yes, just got a squid just come up after me. Got it. Bang. Just like that. Oh yes. Yes. Again, another nice squid. Oh, this is great fun, this sight casting. There you go, another one. There's so many squid around in a foot of water. Can't beat this stuff. Really cannot beat this. Wow. There you go. Look at that thing. Another beast. Probably not as big as the outfit that I had before, but can't go wrong on that. Really can't go wrong on that. Again, just sight casted it on the Joker colour. An absolute tank. Oh, I'm super happy with that. That's like 5 I've had tonight, just sight casting them, looking around. Bang. Can literally just walk along this pier and spot them. And what these squid are probably doing, they're just mooching around looking for any bait fish that are in and around these rocks. I've seen a few little pollock and little wrasse around. They've been coming out to my light. Some of the squid are right under my feet as well. Mad. Just spotted another squid in front of me. See if we can get it. Right in front of me. Well, what a session that was. Big squid galore. And it really goes to show that you don't have to be fishing a deep harbour-like spot under a light or in darkness for squid.
Feels quite big,
I love this type of fishing. Walking along at the low tide point, fishing around, hunting around with my head torch, into the seagrass, onto the reef, looking for squid that are in predatory mode, searching for food. It's a really good way and fun way to target this species. And something different if you don't like just jigging and standing around on a pier. There's always another way to catch squid.
That's a proper squid.